What's up guys, RB here, and today we are asking a very important question about Filmora 13. Okay everyone, so we're going to be selecting some of our clips to make our custom GIFs. Okay, so I'm going to select this particular clip. Just me making a funny face, looking down. So I'll just do a little bit of editing on the clip as it's a little bit long, so I'll give it a bit of a trim. Okay, next I'm going to apply some basic effects. Let's try and line this up a little bit. So I'm just using the zoom effect. So it just zooms a little bit of a portion of my face. And you can apply this to any clip that you like, and lots of other effects as well. So whatever you're feeling for your GIF or whatever the mood, you can select something. And that's looking pretty good. Okay, so the next part is I'm going to have to put some writing. So I'm going to go across to titles. Let's have a bit of a look if we can see some really cool titles. Have a bit of a scroll, just type in meme, see what's there. So you can get lots of different ones or different pictures there. I think I'm going to go with the top one there. As you can see, it's kind of a nice little spot there, has a nice little effect on it. Put in some titles, some words, and just adjust it to match the photo itself. So as you can see, zoom in on the face with a nice little title there. Okay, so I want to make a bit of a selection today. So I'm going to make a compound clip here just to make it all nice and neat and even. It's an amazing feature. It just makes everything so, just makes it so much less messy. Okay, I'm going to have a look at some of my other clips, and I'm going to really speed things up a bit here. I'm going to make about 6 GIFs there. So you can see I'm just doing the titles, effects, and yeah, lots of different types of effects and things I can do. Okay, so I've finished all of my clips, and now I'm just going to show you how you can save them as a GIF file. Okay, so I'm going to select this clip in particular and go up to Export Selected Clips. Do a name, so I'm just going to put Lifting Gift or GIF. Just because this one I'm lifting a weight. Okay, makes sense to me. Make sure to look down in your format and save it as a GIF. Okay. Now, what I'd recommend is playing around with the resolution and the quality there. So if you can have a look down at the red little icon down the bottom there, if a GIF is larger than 10 megabytes, it might actually not be able to be used on certain platforms. So play around with the resolution and just see until it drops below 10. I'm just going to keep it at a higher one just because, you know, I quite like them a bit higher, but just be aware of whatever platform you are trying to use it on. So either some messenger apps or anything like that. And once it's done that, then you have created your very own custom GIF. And there you have it, folks. It's as simple as that to create awesome custom-made GIFs on Filmora. That's all from me, guys. I'll see you next time.